What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. If you have patriotic feet, you're going to want to cover them in these. So you may recall a while back, Nike was going to release some shoes with the Betsy Ross flag star pattern on them, which is that circle of stars, and they ended up not doing it. And one of the reasons was apparently they said Colin Kaepernick said that he didn't want them to release it, and so they pulled it anyway. It caused a big hullabaloo, and they didn't release the shoes, which were kind of patriotic. And I went on a search for patriotic shoes, because if Nike is not going to release them, why not find them some other place? And I came across this. It's called Honor and Respect. I think it is honor-respect.com. You can pick them up, and looks like they're based right here in Marion, Iowa. And I pre-ordered these shoes. They're the Honor and Respect shoes. They also have a fireman honoring shoe as well, which is kind of a red pattern, but this is like a black, blue, and white for basically policemen. Now, I ordered them a while ago. I don't know that they make them in large batches, and they aren't exactly inexpensive, but they aren't exactly expensive either. But I think it's about $75 for a pair, and so I wanted to check them out. Why not show a little love for the badge with the shoes? They smell like brand new shoes right there. There they are, all sitting pretty. They're pretty light. They've got kind of that foam bottom. As far as I can tell, they're really quite nice. They've got this little like bullet pattern on the sole here. We have black, white, and blue. So it's kind of nice. You got a big cut right in here. And then even a vacuum or a negative area right in there. Again, it's going to be really light. Lots of design and pattern. I don't know what it takes to build a shoe, and it's kind of cool. You can definitely make money doing it, I think, if you do it right. You have some like jersey mesh kind of nylon up here. Looks like there's some big holes here for breathability. The nice big blue laces, all synthetic. We have kind of a pleather or rubberized surround here on the lace holes. And then this is where we have the pattern. This is all kind of a rubberized material right here, Honor Respect right there, that thin blue line. And then we have stars printed on what seems to be like a nylon, and then a nylon strap right there, packed with your standard cardboard, size 10. Even the tongue here has that jersey material and some stars kind of wrap around there. So it should be nice and comfortable. And then the matching one. Not only do you get one, you get two for the price of one. Pretty cool looking. I think some of those proceeds go to support, first responders. But if you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to it in the description. But I've noticed that this is kind of a theme. You can definitely pick up more patriotic first responders, certainly, types of shoes that honor, and maybe throw a couple bucks their way as well. But pretty cool. I'm going to wear them. I'm kind of curious if anyone will ever notice them. And you're not buying from a huge brand. Helping out some of these local American-based startups. Hey, link in the description for this and other similar shoes. Peter von Panda. Out!